So this is the inside. And inside we have a full kitchen, a stove, so this is the stove, and we have running water as well, which is awesome. The fridge is electric fridge, so on top of the van is a solar panel, and this runs off the solar panel. Over here is just a bunch of storage for knives and forks and spoons. And then down here we have pots, pans, cups, all that stuff. And this seat is really cool. It swivels around, so when you're inside you can kind of lounge around. This seat also swivels around as well. I'm not going to do that because it's too much work to do. So you can sleep 2 people on the bottom and also 2 people up here. And what you do is you just hop up. So you can sleep 2 people up here and 2 people down there. And usually, like, if it's really hot out, you probably want to sleep up here. But this weekend we slept down there because it was kind of rainy and a little chilly. So this table spins out like this, and you can do if you're working on the road, you can work from here. And also it's great for when you're cooking, you can cut your veggies on here and stuff. And then over here we have just some more storage in here. And then also more storage in here, and also there's a water tank underneath, and you can fill it from the side as well. And then in here there's a ton of storage space. Even have a nice little mirror here so you can get ready in the morning. And then underneath, so this seat lifts up like this, and we have a ton of storage. So we have another battery here, which is hooked up to the solar panel. And that basically runs anything inside, like the lights and the fridge. And then if you want, at night, you turn this into a bed. You just pull this like this. And then you can take your stuff from here and just throw it up here. And, you know, throw your bed sheets down. So also these zip up and zip down. So in the summer, it's nice to flip those down and just let the cross breeze through. That helps a lot with ventilation. So on this side we have hookup for water. So what you can do is what we did before is we were at a campground and we just plugged in water, hooked it up to a hose, and just filled up. So this is used for filling up your water. And then also we have electric here. So if you're in a campground, you can hook up to electric. And then underneath we have a propane tank, and that's used to power the stove. And then up here is the solar system, 120 watts of solar.